Hey peeps. YouTube is full of videos talking about the specs of cameras, but color science is often overlooked. P.S. All the footage you see in this video is shot on the OG Lumix S5 with DaVinci 25mm cine lens from 7 Artisans. Anything that you see that isn't will be labeled. So why is color science even important? Let me give you a bit of a background just to add some more fuel to this fire, right? So for photography, I'd always been a Canon user. I switched over to the A7 series when they were first announced, and I stuck with Sony for a while until I found my love for Fujifilm colors. Love Fujifilm. Anyway, from that point on, I got into video and I started purchasing Blackmagic cameras, and the ease of use when it comes to color grading, especially the B-roll files, just blew me away. And through testing nearly every single modern mirrorless camera that's out there right now, I finally decided to choose the Lumix S series cameras just because the color science coming out of them directly was exactly what I wanted. Now, obviously color is subjective, but I just felt like the ease of use of the Lumix color science was just fantastic. The color science literally saves me time. And that's a perfect segue into my Conversion Pro look. If you're like me and you just want your footage looking near enough finished but still retaining all that dynamic range and correct contrast, then I'm pretty certain the Conversion Pro look from Terra 88 is ideal for you. Side by side, it blows the manufacturer's conversion LUTs out the water. It's full of character, it has so much vibrance, and for me, it's the best way to convert your log footage in my opinion. Just drag it onto your footage and voila, tasty. Of course, at this point, you can go ahead and grade further, but for me, putting content online, social media, stuff like that, I simply drag and drop this conversion LUT onto my footage and move on with my day. Currently, it's only a Lumix Vlog only LUT, but it's in the process of being ported over to other log formats as we speak. Click the link below. For me, I always like to level the playing field. When it comes to audio, I want a microphone that represents my voice as close as possible. Same with studio speakers, with calibrated editing monitors, and of course, with my camera. Take a look at this phone footage, right? Now, what you're seeing is me shooting on the S5 in Vlog, but having a live LUT on the footage in camera so it isn't all gray and washed out. But look how nice those colors look, right? Obviously we're viewing it through a phone, so it's applying the phone's color science, but take a look at the back of that monitor, that LCD screen on the S5. How vivid do those colors look? How many times have you gone into a store and you tested out a mirrorless camera, you put it into the log format and it's so gray washed out? Yes, you apply the LUT to look on there, but it still kind of looks like it's got zero contrast. You're seeing all this noise and yeah, it's just annoying. Granted, this is my specific, here we go again, another plug. It is my specific LUT that I've popped into my camera here. I just feel like it gets me the best colors when viewing the footage, and then obviously the best colors to convert afterwards. But it's nice, it's vivid, and above all, it actually looks accurate to what we're looking at. Look at that book, then look at the footage. Like, that's so close. It's near enough identical, which is just incredible. So yeah, not a tremendously long video. I just wanted to add fuel to the big camera debate on YouTube. Everyone wants to get the best camera they can going into 2024, and I don't blame you. Like, at the end of the day, we deserve that now. It's a modern world. We deserve to get what we kind of want out of a camera. So yeah, no specs in this video, just visuals of the images you can come to expect out of the Lumix S series cameras. I hope you guys found it helpful. If you did, thumbs up, leave a comment below on what you think about the colors, and I guess I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.